friends, I brought you this video as I told for you. So this video covers how to make this ESP32 live streamer. So I'm using I think a cam module. Let's walk through it. Click file on the top left corner and click examples, and you can ESP32. So now you can see camera web server. Follow these steps. Okay, we changed everything we need. Now we can upload the code. After uploadation, make sure you reset the board because sometimes the IP address won't print. Done. Now you can do anything in this website. So I think this is a simple tutorial because there are no any coding in there. So you can click save and save the pictures.